Hello and welcome to SW News. This is Miyati. Former Congress President and currently a Congress MP from Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi today addressed a press conference, and in that virtual press conference, he addressed the press conference through video conferencing. And in that particular press conference, he talked about various things, including constructive suggestions for the government. He talked about the migrant issue, he talked about the lockdown, he talked about the centre's response towards the entire COVID-19 pandemic and whether it has been effective or not. He talked about the testing as well. He talked about the economic impact of the lockdown as well. So today I am going to tell you what exactly he spoke about in his entire press conference, but I am going to explain you pointer by pointer. So let us begin with the first pointer that he talked about. The first thing that he stressed is testing. He said, and lots of critics have always been saying that India is not testing enough for the COVID-19 and there might be more number of cases in India than the numbers are predicting right now because of the low testing rate. So Rahul Gandhi today also addressed the same issue. He said that India's testing remains low amongst several countries across the world. He said that India needs to ramp up the testing. India needs to aggressively test people for COVID-19 and it needs to do it very strategically. He said that while the lockdown has been implemented, what will happen after the lockdown? Will the COVID-19 cases come down or not? And for that to determine, we have to conduct more number of cases, and thus he suggested to the government that the testing number should go up drastically. The second point he stressed on is unity. He said that while he is addressing the press conference and he is taking questions from the journalist on what the government did and how the government could have responded to the pandemic, but he said while he is doing that, he is making constructive suggestions. He said that he is not here for criticism. He said there are many occasions on which he disagrees with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and he will disagree with Prime Minister Modi in future, but this is not the time to criticize the government. When a journalist asked him to comment on whether the government lagged somewhere in its response to COVID-19, he said that he will talk about it only after the pandemic is completely over. Right now, at this point of time, he said that all the parties, all the state governments and the central government should be together. They act like there is a unity among them and they should have a response to the pandemic in this unity. The next point Rahul Gandhi raised is empowering the state. Rahul Gandhi has been talking about it for a quite long time. He said that the states are the ones who should be empowered first to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic. He said while the central government takes care of the national arteries, while they take care of the national issues, it should be the state government who should be empowered to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. He said that the lockdown which has been imposed in entire country should be state specific. He said that state governments and the state chief minister should be asked whether they want a complete lockdown in their state or whether they want a nuanced lockdown in their state, and it should be up to the state chief minister. He said that the government should talk and converse with the state chief minister on what assistance they require from the central government in carrying out the fight against the COVID-19. He also gave an example of Wayanad. He said that the response should be bottom up and not the top to bottom. So this way he said that Wayanad also conducted the bottom to up approach, and that is why it has been successful in kind of controlling the COVID-19 pandemic up to certain extent. He gave that example and he said that the same should be replicated across India and that states need to be given the power of handling the COVID-19 pandemic, whereas the center should only provide assistance to them. He also said that the GST compensation that has been pending for the state should be given to them so that their fight against COVID-19 can be empowered. The next point Rahul Gandhi stressed upon is lockdown. He has been saying it, and he had also tweeted about it, that one size fits all lockdown is not helping and there should be a smart upgrade to the lockdown. That is what he had tweeted few days back. We had also reported it. Now, what did he mean by that? He explained today in that press conference. He said that while the lockdown is important, but while the lives of people are important, and that is why the lockdown has been imposed in the country, but it is also important to see the economic impact of the lockdown. We also have to save lives, but we also have to save India's economy. We have to gauge the impact of the lockdown. He said that the state governments, again he said that they should be given the power to decide which areas need a complete lockdown and which areas do not need lockdown at all. He said it should be lockdown. He also said, he made a very important statement, that lockdown is not the solution to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. He said the lockdown only slows it. The lockdown will only put a pause to the COVID-19 pandemic. It will only put a pause button to the spread of coronavirus, but it will not completely solve it. To solve coronavirus pandemic issue, the government needs to ramp up the testing measures. And he said, once we lift the lockdown, then there could be more cases of coronavirus, and thus this lockdown period should be used to strategically plan how we are going to carry out more and more testing, and this period should also be used to understand the economic impact and find out the measures in which we can save the economy of India. In the next point, he talked about two areas. Now, let me tell you that the government has already divided several districts. It has identified several districts in India which either fall into the category of coronavirus hotspot, or the ones who are non-hotspot and the ones who are green zone. However, Rahul Gandhi today suggested that there should be only two criteria, there should be only two bifurcations for that, and the bifurcation needs to be into coronavirus hotspot and non-hotspot. The hotspot areas, there we can implement a complete lockdown, and in the non-hotspot areas we have to ramp up the testing measures, and in those particular areas we can start a little bit of economic activities. So that is what his idea was regarding the two areas. However, the government has already identified 170 districts across India which are into the red zones, that is the coronavirus hotspot zone. Now, the hotspot is an area where more than 80% of the states coronavirus cases are reported. However, 207 non-hotspots have already been identified. Now, non-hotspots are the areas where coronavirus outbreak has not happened, but there are a few cases of coronavirus in that particular area. And the green zones, where 359 districts of India fall, the green zone is basically an area where for 28 days there is no case of coronavirus reported. The next question to Rahul Gandhi was regarding the migrants issue. Now, we have seen several migrants came out on the streets in Delhi, in Surat, in Mumbai. It happened that migrants came out on the streets and they were demanding that they should be sent back to their home. And this is not the only issue. Several people have been asking about this to the central government, that benefits of the measures that have been announced have not reached the migrant people, and without any job, without any food and without any shelter, the migrants are the one who are witnessing, who are bearing the heat of the coronavirus pandemic and the lockdown that has been imposed in response to the pandemic. So Rahul Gandhi, while talking about it, he said that the migrant issue basically started because the lockdown was announced and only 4 hours were given for people, and because of this the migrants were stranded. And he said if measures are not taken on time, then the issue can grow into even more bigger problem for India. Rahul Gandhi then also spoke about the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown that has been imposed in response to the pandemic. He said that 20% of the poor have not received the direct benefits, so they should be there should be money deposited directly in their accounts through, as the Nyay scheme suggested. He said that the scheme should not be given the Nyay name Nyay, but it can be given any other name. But such a scheme should be run by the central government. He also warned that economic impact of the lockdown can be severe. He said that all the money that the government has cannot be spent right now, and if the government does that, if the government exhausts all the money that it has, all the reserves that it has currently during the period of the lockdown, then at the end of the lockdown we will have a financial crisis. There will be a massive scale of unemployment that will go spiraling down in the economy, and many people in India will be unemployed, and that can be an unprecedented crisis for India, as several agencies have already warned that this can slow down global economies as well. IMF chief economist Geeta Gopinath today also warned that -3% is the prediction for the global economic growth in this particular year. So Rahul Gandhi also warned about that. He said that there should be a financial safety net for people. He said there should be a package, the center should come up with a package to provide to the SMEs, the small and medium-sized enterprises, so that they can employ more people, and there should be a separate package for big companies so that those big companies can also employ some people, and so that there would not be an unemployment crisis in India. During the period of the lockdown, the food and how to provide food to people is one of the major issues. Lots of people, especially the migrant and daily wage laborers, are starving without food. So Rahul Gandhi spoke about that. He said that we already have lots of food, lots of grains in our godown. We have more than sufficient, and after the harvest season, there will be an oversupply and overflow of food. So we need to distribute it amongst the people. However, he said while doing that, we also need to take care of the farmers. We should prepare a package. The central government should come up with a package for the farmers, and they should deliver them on time. He also said that the response to farmers, response to migrants and the poor people should be compassionate, because everyone is going through a tough time during the coronavirus pandemic, and thus the response to them should be very compassionate. He also suggested one more scheme where he said that 10 kgs of rice or wheat should be provided to the poor per week, and adding to that, the government should also provide people 1 kg of sugar and 1 kg of dal every week, and this should be provided to the poor and migrant people and even those who do not have ration card. In the end, Rahul Gandhi said that after this pandemic, and when the pandemic is over, when the lockdown is over, there are chances that India's democracy will change drastically, but right now we have to focus on the pandemic and how to defeat the coronavirus disease. He also said that if the government does not act right now, there could be social unrest in the country. So he said that this is a constructive suggestion. These are some of the constructive suggestions that he made to the central government. The government, he also said, the Congress party is also with the government in fighting with the coronavirus pandemic.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.